Hey guys, what I want to do is I want to be able to measure the force of the different propulsion systems that I'm working on. So I've come up with an idea of making like a chassis, rolling chassis with a load cell. So I'm going to use probably some of this extruded aluminium profile that I've got left over from another project and make up some kind of like a rail track system. So you've got blocks on here which can move backwards and forwards, and then some kind of like carrier, if you like a trolley that runs up and down on the rails. So here are the rails, which I'm going to mount on this extruded aluminium, and then have some kind of load sensor or cell at the end, and then this can move backwards and forwards. Maybe make this adjustable as well, so we've got a bit of run on there if we need to, or we can just have it pushing up against this load cell, and then as we increase thrust, we'll be able to measure that and then put it on like some kind of graph or whatever. So I'm going to have a go at building some kind of thrust analyzer, I guess I'm going to call it. Here we go. So what we've got is a large extruded box section with a couple of rails. We've got 4 bearings and a couple of plates running between them, and then there's some T-nuts which are adjustable, and basically we can put different types of and lengths of aluminium profile in here depending on how big the thing is that we're testing. We've got a bit of movement up and down here, so if we want to we can put springs and loads and all sorts of stuff, and then at the end we've got a place to put the load cell and a little nylon bumper here, so that can push up against the load cell. We can run our whatever it is that we're running, and then get some data, stick that in a graph on the laptop, and that's sort of really useful. So yeah, here it is. It's the Thrust Analyser. Thanks for watching. See you soon.